Hi guys, it's another episode of Star Review with Kiki, and today I'm talking about the great, beautiful and gorgeous looks we had at the premiere of the movie Who's the Boss. Welcome to the show. In no particular order, I'm going to start with the outfit on BISOLA. Now, what I love about this outfit is going to be the choice of print. Now, I usually don't like to see print on a red carpet as this, especially because of the theme. But then, however, I think I like the fact that the fabric is print at the same time it is not in my face. I really appreciate that. Like, I sincerely and genuinely appreciate that. Because, I mean, there are different ways you could have, imagined to switch up the look. But at the end of the day, what you will discover will happen is that you have the engine. This look is great. I would have preferred if she had stilettos on because that's more bossy. The sandal kind of pulled the look backwards, but her makeup, the choice of hair, that's how to be chic, bossy, corporate at the same time. So like, the neck length hair, straight, like bone straight hair, nicely laid. It was beautiful. I love the volume of her eyeshadow as well. I kind of felt like it pumped up the look a lot, and that was really major for the red carpet. Maybe remove the fringe because once again it kind of takes the look outside of the theme. However, over 10, I'll say this look is 7. Beautiful. Another look that will have pulled the carpet off effectively, beautifully, smoothly. Add any other lead that you want to put inside of it, because we are talking about Lily. It's going to be this black suit set with the volume sleeve. I love this direction. It's beautiful, but I would have preferred if the sleeve was done another way. I mean, this literally looks like a lift off Alexandra McQueen, and then it wasn't done as such. Now, there is no way you want to copy the original that you would end up being, looking nicer than the original. We know that volume is about 2020, and a lot of volume is coming to sleeve. I would have preferred if this was done differently. But talk about the pose, talk about the poise, talk about the feet, the hair, the makeup. Beautiful. And once again, it would have been so great if she didn't pair this with sandals. Like, sandal is not bossy, it's not corporate, it's a bit evening and more of your regular carpet kind of feel. But for a boss look, I would say no. Another thing that I love about this outfit is going to be the entire put together. So it feels like everything is in tune, everything is well taped. Maybe take that zip away, because that zip already makes it look like, okay, this is a locally made thing. It would have passed off for something extremely, international worthy, something we can export outside of Nigeria if we do not put that zip into it. But outside of that, it's a look that you want to get a bottle of cold drinks and then down it. Beautiful look. Now, Funke Akindele's look is another interesting look we had on the carpet. I loved it. I kind of felt like it's sequin being put to use in a great way. And the choice of color was also great. So it's not in my face as per Who's the Boss. At the same time, I'm not really sure about the introduction of the black velvet and the peplum and the volume on the sleeves. That already took away that suit vibe. So the sequin itself was bringing in this very nice vibe. I was already feeling like, maybe you can actually do sequin to work and not be making so much noise, because it's an infusion of a very dark shade of green and black, which is beautiful for regular yet extremely chic. But then the introduction of the peplum and then the volume on the sleeve just kind of pulled the old look away. The choice of shoes was amazing. The color of the shoes was great. Her hair was good. It wasn't all over the place, well swept to the back. But then you see the peplum and that black velvet literally just took a juice of the look. But outside of that, the feet, the poise, beautiful look. I'll say this is a 6.5 over 10. Now, speak of looks that actually caught my attention, like the look that actually got the theme right is going to be with Jemima. Now, it's this is not the time for you to go on the red carpet and do slits and do this and do that. There's actually a lot of ways you can, do the red carpet in a bossy way. You're corporate, you're chic, and at the same time, effectively elegant. Underline the word effectively. Now, I love the fact that all of the sexy in this outfit is to the back, which means that this is a look that could have, had the blazers on it, and then she's good to, enter any office and kick the door down, and it will be beautiful. I love her choice of hairstyle as well. I love the makeup. there has to be like a major sync between your hair and the makeup. And the way she do it, you do know, really, expert ni one. Very effortless, extremely to fit, and the entire put together is definitely a 8 over 10. Now that too is missing just because once again she paired with sandals. Like sandals will always take the look back. If you're supposed to be very bossy, you're supposed to give me all those kind of stilettos that would look like a Louboutin, something that was that will stand the ground. That's my killer. I think you get my point now. Just look at the details on this outfit, the cuff on the shirt, matching the pants. I mean, there's a lot of, thought process being put into this. I love that, not so regular kind of thing going on the neckline. It's beautiful. I wish this look had a pair of stilettos underneath it. It would have been crazy. And finally, guys, on looks that I loved at the premiere of With the Bus film is going to be with Linda. Now, this is a way to show that you are boss and then you're not regular. So this looks like a look you can pull to any meeting, wherever, however, and you'll be considered to be top-notch chic. This is a look you can wear to any kind of conference or forum abroad, and everybody's already looking at you like, excuse me, where are you from? And if you now want to kill them finish, which means Linda just like had some kind of print, this very toned down print we have in Africa. Just throw that somewhere, and then you're good to go. I absolutely love everything about this. I was looking forward to seeing shapes on the red carpet. I mean, it says boss and you're going to red carpet. I was expecting to see a lot of Kerry Washington kind of scandal kind of vibe, and I got it. The choice of color was great. So that's a color that you're not doing too much. At the same time, you're not being regular with a brown or a blue or a black, or a gray. This is, taking the style to the next level. At the same time, you're still staying in tune. Now, I just can't, like, this look would have been 20 over 10 if she had stilettos on. What's going on? Everybody literally went on that carpet wearing sandals, and that's not going to do it. If you're going to the office, you're not wearing sandals on a Monday now. If you're going to close that deal of about 10 million to 15 million, you're not going there with sandal. Now imagine that you're now going, they say, who is the boss? You are going there to go and sign that contract of 1 billion. Come on, is it a shoe you're gonna wear? So imagine if this has stilettos underneath it. Just give me that nude Louboutin. Or that black patent Louboutin. Hey, chai. This look will have been so mad. However, guys, these were the amazing looks we had at the premiere of What's the Buster film, and I think they were great. Do not forget, like my video, comment on my video, tag that friend of yours so they are up to date on style. Well, you can also click the bell so that when it's the next period, my girl, you know that there's a new video. All right, guys, thank you for always watching, and this is all I have for you on this episode of Style Review with Kiki. And until the next time, I catch you on another episode. Hello, take care.